Hello and welcome to your Monday morning forecast. After a fine start, it is going to turn wet and windy. That's because Storm Brendan's going to arrive. And that's the theme for this week. Lots of unsettled weather to come. Taking a look first thing, it's a bit of a chilly start across some parts of Scotland. There may be some icy patches to watch out for. Also a little bit of showery rain down towards the southeast. Otherwise though, lots of dry weather through the morning with some bright or sunny spells as well. It's in the west though that it's going to turn cloudy and increasingly wet and windy as we go towards the afternoon. That's because Storm Brendan's going to push its way in. Temperatures are, if anything, going to be a touch above average for the time of year, but it's really not going to feel it with that wind and rain spreading across most parts of the UK. Storm Brendan was named by Met Éireann. As a result, the strongest winds are likely to be across the Republic of Ireland. However, it is still going to be very windy in the UK, particularly across western parts, perhaps even also northeast Scotland. Here around the coast, we could get gusts of 60 to 70 miles per hour, perhaps even up to 80. We could see some power outages as well as disruption to travel, with the most severe weather coming as we go through evening rush hour. By 5 o'clock across eastern parts of Scotland, it's going to be wet, it's going to be windy. Further west, plenty of showers making their way in. Looking further south and for the bulk of England and Wales, it is going to be very wet. That's likely to cause some spray on the roads, so some difficult driving conditions. Do take care as you're heading home from work. That rain will then continue its way eastwards and clear as we go through the evening overnight, and that will take the strongest winds with it, but it's going to stay pretty blustery across most parts of the UK. There will also be plenty of showers coming their way, and particularly across parts of Scotland, these readily falling as sleet or snow over the Scottish hills and mountains. As we look towards Tuesday, and there will be some fine weather at first, but then further wet and windy weather is going to push in from the southwest as we go through the day, and temperatures, whilst they are going to be above average for the time of year, it's going to feel quite unpleasant with all that unsettled weather around. We do have another wind warning in force across the bulk of England and Wales. The wind's not quite as strong as what we're expecting due to Storm Brendan, but still we are likely to see some disruption. Remember, there's further unsettled weather to come as we go through this week, so it is worth keeping up to date with the full forecast on both the Met Office website, our app and all of our social media channels. See you later.